How to add or edit your profile bio on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on three lines at the top right. In here, click on your name, which will lead to your profile. In here, click on Edit Profile. After you have clicked on Edit Profile, scroll down in Edit Profile. After that, you'll find Bio in here. Click on Describe Yourself. And if you already have Bio, you can click on Edit. After that, add your bio, then press on Save at the top right corner of your screen. After you've pressed on Save, your bio will be added. And this is how to add or edit your profile bio on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.